This is when the multi-tool becomes so handy. Cleaning out the grout, just removing all the grout so we can switch the blade up to remove the drywall. Then we'll reinforce it with some wood, put back the drywall, and retile. Decided to use one piece drywall instead of cut two rectangular pieces. Threw on some screws, mixed some thin set, the premium thin set, applied it, and laid the tiles. The tiles are a little bit, the width isn't quite the same, so it's going to create a little bit more prominent grout line, but overall it turned out good. Thanks for watching.